You guys didn't realize you're going to have an opening act, did you?
Don't ask me to sing.
No, I won't ask you. Darren Andrews is here, and you brought a friend slash
patient
slash consultant.
Yeah.
All the above.
Yeah, it's the passion. You know, most of us at the clinic have had something done, and from time to time we come across people that we think would be a great fit for the team. And Nate was a patient with us. And
I never thought you used it as an employment recruiting tool before.
Well, it's funny how many friends come out of the woodwork that have hair loss when you have a hair loss.
Sure. Well, yeah. Yes. That's fascinating. So, tell me about your journey.
Well, I was in my 20s. I was struggling with hair loss. I actually went to PAI for a consultation. Met with Darren. He took really good care of me.
Sure.
Going through that whole process, it really just blew my mind. The comfort that I had. I thought the process would be painful.
Right.
And to see it be such a smooth, enjoyable process, I thought, man, that's something that's worth my time.
Okay. I'm not doubting you, but it seems to be one thing to be an advocate for having it done. It's another thing to like, you know what? I want to work here.
Yeah. Yeah, it really was such an important thing for me to almost set that burden aside of hair loss in my 20s. I mean, for me, it was really traumatizing, and I had a really hard time with it. But,
yeah, and then Nate became a consultant.
Oh, yeah. So the consultation process, I really enjoy it. When I meet with people, every individual client, their situation, I gather information. I go over different examples. These are hairline examples. I talk about the different methods and techniques, how much hair can be restored. You know, having gone through it, it's just...
Well, okay, so do you offer up the fact that you have had it done?
Oh,
or
absolutely.
Do you wait for, okay,
absolutely.
I'm waiting for someone to go, you don't know what it's like. How would you know what it's like? I'm like, I know exactly what it's like.
Nate had a receding hairline. Everyone's different. Hairline design, of course, there's our friend Paul Poteet, is artistic. One of the things we do, whether it's the multi-unit hair grafting or the artist robotic FU, is we put the hair of the grafts really close. So that artistic requirement for the physicians is super important. And just one of the many examples on the website at WeGrowHairIndy.com.
Well, and as I've seen time and time again, out in the real world, if it looks like you had something done, you didn't get it done well.
Right. And you don't see the good ones, right? And that's what we try to educate people on today. And
Mm-hmm.
Nate's a great example. You know, it was a small amount of hair loss to some people having a receding hairline.
Sure.
But it was not small to Nate.
Right.
And so whether it's large areas of loss or small receding hairlines, you know, we do it all.
Well, so what was the difference for you? Just, I mean...
Oh, just the confidence that I have after getting it done. Oh, it's been wonderful. It's been a great process, and I'm very happy I did it, and I don't regret it one bit.
But again, like you said, it's not one size fits all.
No, it's not. It's a global approach, whether it's artist robotic FUE, multi-unit hair grafting, or hair loss prevention. You know, getting to the hair loss early and controlling it before you even have to get to the point of a hair transplant. But it's all part of that free evaluation.
And I'm guessing you probably haven't seen anyone that you couldn't help.
Oh, nope. We have a solution for every type of hair loss.
And people go, I don't know, they come in a free consultation. It's not time consuming. It's not money consuming. It's a free consultation.
Yeah, it is. It's about an hour of your time. It's a microscopic analysis, and for some guys, the hardest thing to do is to walk in the door.
Yeah.
And Nate's been through it. I've been through the procedure myself, and I did that once as well. I walked through that door and had that initial consultation, and the website's great as well. You know,
exactly.
Tons of stuff.
You should take a deep dive on there and just go through. Even the VIP websites are great. Everybody's experience is different, and you may find one similar to yours. If you could maybe arrange your consultation when Gunner from Q95 is not there, because he is that loud all the time. How long has it been?
It's been about 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Your hair looks great.
Thank you.
A lot of people probably don't believe that you did it.
It's true.
Walk around with a before picture, right? Where do they go?
888-724-5129 is the phone number. WeGrowHairIndy.com is the website for the free private evaluation. Give us a call.
So 465 last week. Told my kids. Dad knows him. Dad knows that guy. Anyway, gentlemen, thank you so much.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Hope to see you in the new year.
Thank you.
Vanessa?